Hello guys, welcome back to Rider Skiff channel. Today we will see 2024 Honda CB750 Hornet rear hugger. I'm not sure if anyone owns this bike and if you have the same problem. It doesn't have any rear hugger, due to which it makes messy from the back. So I bought this power hugger called Power Browns, and specifically made, if you see, it's actually specifically made for Honda CB750 Hornet 2023 and plus model. So it has an instruction manual here. So it has the hugger itself, and it has the bracket, which is this. It has the screw, which is two screws here, and it has four M6 flat screws, which is four again, and it has the spacers. I've already inserted the spacers inside the hugger already. If you see, the spacers already went inside, and it also comes with the rubber garment, which is this, goes at the back of this so that it doesn't interfere with the exhaust. And it comes with some stickers and some edge trim and rubber garments are already installed here. So the tools we require to do this is two Allen keys, a ratchet, we need a 8 mm and a 10 mm to fit the screws. So let's get started, guys. First we need to remove the chain guard and then put this one. And before you start, I would actually suggest you to take your exhaust off, which I have already done. So take the exhaust off, otherwise it will interfere with the exhaust. So just put it away. Once you fit the hugger, you can put it back on. So the first step is to remove the chain guard. It actually comes with the step-by-step manual. So that's the step-by-step manual if you want to see. So we'll go ahead and remove the guard. So leave the screws aside, you might require just stickers. The other screw on the other side. Let's check. It doesn't have any screw, but it just struck there, so there's a clip. See how there's a clip here, like that. So you just take it out. Let's take this out and put the hugger in. So just put the screws in, guys. It goes with only 2 screws, but don't fully tighten it, so that we know what's happening. Don't fully tighten it, because we might require on the other side. And then here. Okay, that's it. Just leave it like that. And then we're gonna see on the other side. Take the rubber. Place it here. Press it hard. So that it just goes like that. Okay. So this screw goes the back of this. But don't fully tighten, just leave some space so that we can screw the bottom one as well, and then we tighten all together. So this one is just enough. Take that off, and now just place it like that so that we can unscrew this, which you need a wrench with 8 mm. This one is, yeah, you need a wrench with 8 mm. This is 10 mm, this won't work. You have 8 mm. You need this. What we're doing here is just unscrewing this. Unscrew that, and then so this is why we need to make this adjustment, guys. This one here. Just need to tighten the screws now. Okay, that's it. That's tight enough. You can see how solid it is. Now you can tighten all other bolts and nuts, and that's it. Now we successfully completed the rear hugger, guys. So that's how the bike looks after installing the rear hugger. So all the screws were tightened, double checked. On this side it looks like that. Exhaust came back. Like the video, guys, please click the like button. Comment if you have any questions, share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe so that I can make more videos. Thank you.